Bayti Real Estate is delighted to present this ready-to-move-in office space in the CEO building located in Dubai Investment Park. At 768 square foot, this office comes as unfurnished, situated on a low floor with Dewa and Chiller exclusive. It comes with a shared pantry and toilets and one parking space. Security is 24 hours in the building. The complex consists of one commercial building with 7 floors, the ground floor consisting of mixed retail spaces, parking spaces for employees and free on-street parking for visitors. The complex offers a variety of offices with excellent facilities to ensure a comfortable working environment. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.